How are we doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. Today we're going to take a look at the battery case, the AA battery case for the VX6. It's called the FBA23, made in China. I got this one off Amazon. It's not an original Yaesu factory part. It's probably a copycat. Got a couple Pro Cell industrial strength batteries. Let's take a look. I'm not going to check any power output. We'll do that in a later video, but let's see what it looks like compared to the original battery, how it fits, how it functions, and I guarantee you we're going to have reduced power, but hey, that's always a good thing, especially if you have the potential, the capability to run off AA's. Okay, so there we have the VX6R battery. I bought this radio used, so I'm not even sure that's a original Yaesu battery. Probably just a Chinese copycat yet. It says made in China down there, UK, California. So there's the battery pack. Couple tabs, the latch mechanism. Other than having the little tabs for the drop-in charger connection, it's pretty much identical. So let's get a couple batteries in it and try it out. Just moved several weeks ago, so I don't have my postal scale dug out, nor do I know what box it's in, but substantial lightness. I'll be cutting the weight down by half on the battery pack. So the battery is going quite well. Oops. Factory battery has the two tabs. That has the two tabs. Let's get it on the radio and see what it looks like and how it fits. Okay, I did have to give it a little push down in to get it to snap into place. It's on, looks secure, looks tight. I don't see any gaps. Let's get it turned on and see what happens here. And also our nose ID. And the altimeter unit's going to take a reading here. Low power. AA1PR. Also our node's only about, okay, or 26 feet. I doubt that.
Hey Mike, how's it going? I see you got a VX6R. That's something pretty awesome. How do you like it?
Yeah, good afternoon, Travis. Just making a video. I'm running off the AA battery pack, so your voice may be in the video. But yeah, I like it. I'm just testing out the AA battery pack, but I put two industrial strength batteries in it, and it's showing it's only got like a quarter battery life left.
But those batteries are different than, your rechargeable battery. So maybe we'll just say that it's just because of the voltage, it'll be a little lower.
Not a bad idea.